This video is just a review of the split strategy. We practiced the split strategy before spring break, so students are familiar with it, but they probably need a little bit more practice since we've had a little bit of a break. All right, so I'm going to show you split strategy two ways, just so you can see how it is done, and then you can apply it to your own learning. So the first one I'm going to try is a 2-digit by a 1-digit. So I'm going to multiply 64 times it by 8. It's called the split strategy because you're going to split one of the numbers, and we're going to split 64. We're going to split it into 60 and 4. Now students are also familiar with brackets. We did lots of practice with brackets in February. So we're going to go 60. We're going to multiply it by 8. And then we're going to put a plus sign, and then we're going to multiply 4 by 8. So we always do our brackets first, so we go left to right, and we're going to multiply 60 times 8, which we just go like this. We go, what's 6 times 8? And then we put a 0 on the end, because when we multiply by 10, we move the number one place value to the left. So we go, what's 6 times 8? It is 48, which means 60 times 8 is 480. And then we go, what is 4 times 8? If I don't know that, I can always go, what's 2 times 8? Double that. So then I know that 4 times 8 is 32. Then I just need to remember to add the 2 together. So I need to add 480 plus 32, and my answer would be 512. So that's the split strategy. I split 64 into 60 and 4, and I multiply both of them by 8, and then I add them together, and I get 512. The next one we're going to do is a 2-digit by a 2-digit. So I'm going to take 13. I'm going to multiply it by 25. So I know I need to split just one of the numbers. I am going to split 13 because I should be able to do some skip counting with my multiples of 25 because I think of money. So I'm going to split 13 into 10. I'm going to multiply it by 25. And then I'm going to split the rest of the 13 into 3 and multiply it by 25. So now I broke down 13 into 10 and 3, and they're both being multiplied by 25. So now I go, what's 10 times 25? Well, 25 times 1 is 25. Put a 0 on the end, so it's 250. Then I ask myself, what's 3 times 25? So I think about money, I think about quarters. If I have 3 quarters, how much is that? Well, it's 75. And then I mentally add it together. So I might break down this in my head mentally and go, what's 250 plus 50 plus 25? And then I would get altogether, I would have, sorry, having a brain fart, 325. So that's the split strategy. You use 2 different ways with a 2-digit by a 1-digit, and then this one, a 2-digit by a 2-digit. I hope this helps.